Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about 90-degree bracket. Left side you can see the bracket component and right side is forming tool. I am going to show you how to create this component in sheet metal module, and also I am going to show you how to create this forming tool for creating this bracket. So forming tool is mandatory for creating such components. So let's start now. So initially I am going to create forming tool. So we have to take a new file. So I have created a sketch in the top plane. So this is 200, 350, 100 by 100. Select this sketch, go to feature. So this is 50 mm height. Now select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal. Keep it in wireframe. Select this line, convert entity. Go to trim tool. Select corner trim and select these two lines. So now it's a closed loop. So the distance between this point and origin is 110. This is 250. This is 30. Select these two lines. Make it equal. This is 70. So this is for reference. Now go to feature, go to extrude cut. Select through all. Say OK. Here we can select up to next also. Now we have to apply fillets. Go to feature, select fillets, select these four edges. (30 mm). See, now I'm going to create this groove inside the component. So I'm using sweep cut because it's not a flat surface. So for that I need to create one plane. Select these two surfaces. Go to plane. So automatically it creates the plane at the center. So the plane is created. Select this plane. Go to sketch. Keep it normal. Keep it in wireframe. And go to convert entity. Select this line. Now just pick this point and move inside little bit. This one also, because the groove is not going to end at this edge of this face, so we have to move inside. So select this edge and this point. This is 60. This is also 60. Say OK. See, wireframe, you can see the sketch. So for that we have to go to show hide options. See here, the sketch is created on this plane 1. Now I have to create one more plane at this point and parallel to this face. So select these two and go to feature, go to plane. So it is automatically creating a parallel plane to this face and at this point. Say OK. Now select this plane, go to sketch, keep it normal, keep it in wireframe. Here draw one circle at this point, the end of this line which we have created plane 1. So keep it normal. This is 30. Now this sketch for profile and the path has been created. So select these two sketches and go to sweep cut. Say OK. It is not taken the path, so select this path. Say OK. See, sometimes these sketches are not visible properly. See here there is an open loop, so we have to drag little bit inside and make it coincide. So these kind of errors are common while converting the edges to sketch. So now we can select these two sketches once again. Go to swept cut. Say OK. Now keep it in solid form. See here, this cutout is created. So now I am going to hide these planes. See, now you can see there is a flat surface, but we need a circular. See here. So to create this feature, we have to select this face, go to sketch, convert entity. See, it has converted into sketch. Now go to feature, select revolve cut and select this straight line. See here. Say OK. See here. Now it is a circular feature. Similarly, we have to create one more cutout. Select this face, go to sketch, convert entity, go to revolve cut and select this flat sketch. Say OK. So this is created now. Now we have to apply fillets. Go to fillet, so here we need 5 mm. Select one of the edge, so it automatically takes the tangent edges. Say OK. It is created. So this radius should be more than the sheet thickness. So I am taking 2 mm sheet, so radius is 5 mm, so it's more than the sheet thickness. That is very much important. Whenever we create a forming tool, the minimum radius should be more than the sheet thickness. Otherwise, we cannot place the forming tool on the sheet metal component. Now we have to create one more fillet, that is of 25 for all the vertical edges. So the shape of the forming tool is ready. Now we have to create forming tool feature. So go to sheet metal, select forming tool, select this top face. Here we are not going to remove any material, so we are leaving faces to remove. Say OK. So this is the stopping face and the yellow portion is forming faces. So now I have created the forming tool. Next I am going to create this bracket. Now I am going to create sheet metal bracket. So we have to take new part file. So I have selected the top plane and created a sketch, that is 400 mm by 300 mm. Select the sketch, go to sheet metal, select the base flange. So here I have taken 2 mm and K factor is 0.45. See, the forming tool, I have saved it in the forming tool folder, the design library. So I am going to place this on the sheet metal component. So keep it in normal position. Here making it as 0, and position it can be at any location. Here we don't have to give the dimension because we are going to remove the material. So say OK. But if you want, you can constrain the position of this forming tool. Now I am going to remove this material. Select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal, convert entity, and select extruded cut, link to thickness. Now see the top flat sheet is removed. Now select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal, and keep it in wireframe. So select this face, go to convert entity. So it automatically selecting the outer face. So we have to select this face for selecting the outer face. So for inner surface, we have to go to convert entity, select the inner loop one by one. So select one of the edge. Automatically it selects the inner edge. So we don't have to select individually one by one. So this is the easiest option. Now keep it in wireframe, keep it in shaded form, go to feature, cutout. Here we can select up to next. Say OK. So this component is created now. Now I am going to create the hole features. So these holes are on this face and this face. These are at same level. See here. So I am selecting one of the face. Go to sketch, keep it normal. I am going to use a simple hole. Select this face and go to sheet metal. Select simple hole. Here this is 10 mm. Say OK. Now simply select this center point and move near to this. So you will get a center point. Say OK. Now it is constrained. Now select this point. Select control button. Just to drag this. So you will get a circle. Now select this and move to this edge and place it on center. Now select these two circles. Make it equal. Now it is constrained. So here we have simply can place these holes with these circles. Now select all the circles, these three, and select this one of the circle. Now make it equal. So all diameters are equal. Now just select the center, move it to this edge and place it on the center. This is constrained now. Move it to this edge, place it in the center. Say OK. Now this final component is created. So that's how we create these kind of stamping components. And this is the small example of 90-degree bracket. Thank you very much.